I have a cup of mashed potato. Now to this mixture, I need a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. And salt has to be to taste, and I will adjust it as I go. I've added a teaspoon of amchur. I've added a tablespoon of ginger and 1 green chili. I've added about a tablespoon of chopped coriander, about 1 or 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. I've added another tablespoon of cilantro or coriander. I'll mix that. A cupful of multigrain flour. Now you can use whole wheat if that's what you have at hand. Since the flour is dry as I knead it in, I've added 2 tablespoons of yogurt and see if I need more. Ended up adding another tablespoon, so these are 3 tablespoons in total. Now I'll bind everything together. I've ended up adding a tablespoon of flour to help bind things together. This is what the atta looks like, and it's ready to roll the rotis. And if I have any extra dough, I'll store it in the fridge and use it for my first paratha. And what I did was added a little more flour to roll it. It wasn't difficult to roll, but I just wanted a perfect round, and I did use a round object to cut it out. And once my tawa is ready, I will make the paratha. Get my paratha on the tawa, and I'll heat it on one side and the other, and then later I'll smear it with ghee and fry it on both sides. Smeared some ghee on one side, and I'll give it a nice flip. It down. You need to keep changing between high and turning your heat between high and medium. This paratha, as you roll this paratha, it does stick, so you will be using a lot of dry flour to prevent it from sticking. So I will stencil out and make a perfect shape out of it. I made 7 small parathas, which are good enough for 3 people. Like, enjoy, and subscribe. See you later with a nice recipe. And this would be a great recipe for Sehri time during Ramadan. See you later. Bye for now.